Hello and welcome to Homework Walkthrough Video 1.03C Independent Practice. Looks like on this homework we are going to be practicing absolute value in real life situations. And my numbers might be different than your numbers, but the process I use to solve these questions you can also use to solve your questions. Let's jump right in. Question 1. The table below shows the changes in stock market prices in a week. So stock market, it's like that money thing. So change this one down 15%, 20, 0, down 19, up 1%. Okay. Change. On which day did the stock market have the greatest change in prices? Ooh. So not which day did it have the greatest positive change, or which day did it have the greatest negative change? That's not what the question's asking. The question is not asking which day did it go up the most, or which day did it go down the most. This question is just asking, when did the stock market have the greatest change? Well, on Wednesday there was no change. Didn't change at all, as zero. Friday barely had any change. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday had some big change, down 15%, down 19%, up 20%. But I think of all these numbers, the number with the greatest absolute value, the number that represents the greatest change, would be Tuesday, right? Because absolute value of 20 is 20, absolute value of negative 19 is 19, absolute value of negative 15 is 15, so 20 would be the biggest, the greatest number. So here I will not write 20, I will write Tuesday, because it says which day has the greatest change. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Question 2. The table below shows the changes in temperatures for a week in Alaska. Sunday got warm, Monday got colder, Tuesday got colder, Wednesday got warmer, Thursday got colder, Friday got colder, Saturday got colder. On which day did the temperature change least? So not which day did it change the most, but which day did it change the least? Kind of like which day has the smallest absolute value, the least absolute value. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, those are out. Those are big numbers. It's a big change. It's so cold those days. I also think so then it's Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Those are all single digits. Which one of those is the smallest? The least. Represents the least change. I think so too. Yeah, maybe Saturday. Because absolute value of 1 is 1. Let's write that out. Absolute value of negative 1 is 1. Absolute value of negative 6 is 6. Absolute value of 3 is 3. Absolute value of 9 is 9. So which one of these numbers is the smallest? 1. So that means our correct answer would be Saturday. That's what that be. Which day had those changed? Saturday. Think it's better now. A quick pause for investigation. And we're back. Just after investigation, find out we actually got the question right. There's just a bug in the question, which will be fixed by the time you do this. So, we're moving on. Question 3. 4 divers go deep sea diving to observe some sea life. The table below shows the depth each diver dove. Depth each diver dove. Which diver is the farthest from sea level? So this diver is 7 feet below sea level. This diver is 12 feet below sea level. This diver is 23 feet below sea level. And this diver is 31 feet below. Farthest from sea level. Kind of looks like it's Samoa, right? That's the furthest from sea level. And then which diver is closest to sea level? Probably this diver right here, because it has the smallest absolute value. She's only 7 feet below sea level, but then the next person is 12 feet, and the next person is 23, the next person is 31 feet underwater. Let's check. Question 4. And now I'm typing in the names, the words, because it asks for which diver, not the number. So, typing words. You make deposits, withdrawals, and debits for your checking account. The table shows the register for a couple of transactions on your account. Which transaction was for the least amount? Which transaction was for the least amount? Okay. The least amount. Let's take a look at these. These numbers are looking scary. So maybe don't do this in my head. Just draw this out. So, which transaction was for the least amount? Well, I think it's what I think this means is which transaction, like the other questions, has the least change. Because I think technically withdrawal would be the least amount because it's a negative number. Maybe questions will get confusing. Maybe I'm just confused. If you're confused too, I don't know. But let's think of it as what transaction has the smallest change. That's what I think this question means. So it's kind of like finding the absolute value of all these numbers. And I bet this transfer would have the smallest change. Because that's 17, that's 83, that's 40. So the smallest change, if you pick up a penny, it's a small change. But you're not going to notice that in your bank account bill. Penny. So transferring $14. That's what I think is the smallest change. Type that in transfer. Check. Alright. And it looks like this question has a bug, but the correct answer was deposit. Okay, now we'll finish. We click finish attempt. So all finish, and so all finish. All right. If you need help with this homework, please let me know.